Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix CashBoost app not working. So let's get started. So here you can see the CashBoost app. If it's not working, you have to follow these instructions. Just press and hold it here. Click on this I button. It will open the app info section. Then here you have to scroll down at the last and you can see here option is called as storage. Just click on there. Then you have to click on the clear data option and clear the data, and after that you have to open it again. If it's work, then fine. If it's not work, you have to check the update. Okay, so you have to go through at here the app. So at here you have to go at your Google Play Store, just search for the Cash Boost app. So at here you can see the app. Okay, so by any here you can just download the updated version of this app and it will work. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.